In this module, we are going to talk about multinational corporations and foreign direct investment, MNCs and FDI. A multinational corporation is referred to a large corporation which sells goods and services in different parts of the world. Multinational corporations are also known as international corporations. Characteristics of multinational corporations: international import and export of goods and services, making foreign investments, purchasing and selling licenses for international markets, manufacturing facilities in foreign countries, international flow of capital, technology transfer. We all know that multinational corporations like Pizza Hut, Kentucky Fried Chicken, McDonald's, Hardee's, Mobilink, not Mobilink, we can say ICI, Mercedes Benz, and other like multinational corporations, they are making foreign investments and earning a lot. MNCs have their headquarters in home countries and their operational divisions are established in foreign countries. Majority of the board of directors are the citizens of the home country. Major chunk of capital assets is owned by the citizens of home country. In these multinational corporations, big investors are investing their money and they are having only one point agenda to maximize their profit. Foreign direct investment. When a company of one country makes investment in any other country in the form of building a factory, domestic structure, equipment, and organization, is known as foreign direct investment. We can understand better to foreign direct investment when China having that foreign direct investment in Pakistan for making China-Pakistan economic corridor a success. What are the advantages of this foreign direct investment through those multinational corporations? Inflows of equipment and technology, innovation, employment opportunities, increased export growth, benefits to customers through reduced costs of products, wider choice of goods and services, access to global markets. So when we have more foreign direct investment in our country, we saw that our northern areas infrastructure, roads infrastructure and communication, transportation all have been become cosmetic more. That is why if you know that in 2020 American organizations declared Pakistan a number one tourist destination.